Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add music or sounds to your Likee videos so that you can make your clips more fun and engaging. First of all, open up your Likee application on your phone and make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged into the home page, tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Now this will open up your camera. Go ahead and click on the Select Music button at the top of the screen while you're inside the camera screen. And then, from the list of music options available, you can browse for music through categories, search for a specific track using the search box at the top, or preview sounds by tapping on them. After you find the song you'd like to add, click on Apply. Now, you can go ahead and either record your video with the music playing or upload an existing video to add the sound on top. To record the video, you'll need to tap on the little shutter icon and hold it. Whereas to upload an existing video, click on Upload at the bottom right. Select a video you'd like to use, or you can also select multiple photos to create a slideshow. After selecting the clip, click on Next to the bottom right, and you will then be able to add music or sound to your Likee videos. Now go ahead and make necessary edits. You can add captions or effects if you want, and then while posting your video, simply tap on Next at the bottom right. On the next page, enter a description for your video, choose the title or cover for your video, filter your followers that can view the video, and you can also explore more other options if you want, and finally click on Post in order to post your content right away on Likee. And that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.